Hello everyone, I am Ashit Pandya and welcome back to my new video of LeetCode playlist. So in this video, we have to solve LeetCode to the number 165, which is how many numbers are smaller than current number. So in this program, you are given an integer array nums. For each element, each and every element in the array, you need to find how many numbers are strictly smaller than it. Return array which index is containing count of numbers smaller than the current index. So let's move to the code. So first of all, we'll create a vector in integer and name it with answer. After that, we'll use for loop and initialize it with 0 till nums dot size and I plus plus int count equals to 0. This counts how many elements are greater than the current number. Inside this for loop, we use the nested for loop, initialize it with 0 and named it 0. J is less than nums dot size and j plus plus. Inside this for loop, we use if condition with i, nums of j less than nums of I and the count plus plus. Basically, this method counts the how many numbers are greater than the current number, and then simple answer dot pushback count at the end will return the answer. So this is a very simple and basic level problem. Let's check this code. Okay, there is a mistake. Let's check the okay dot size. You can see here all the test cases are passed successfully.